Hi there, grade 6 saxophone players. So today we're looking at another song from the Tradition of Excellence book. We are on page 20 still, and we are on Procession from Water Music. So there's nothing very much in this that's new. If you can play March Across the Seas, which hopefully you've all had a go at trying to play, then playing Procession from the Water Music is just the next step, really. If we look at this Procession from Water Music, we can see the time signature, whereas March Across the Sea was in the time signature of 4/4, Procession is in the time signature of 3/4. So that means there's going to be 3 quarter beats in each bar. And it's written out similar to March Across the Seas as well. We have an introduction for 4 bars, then we have the first theme, and that's 8 bars, which is repeated, and then we have the second theme, and that is also repeated. The difference being with the second theme, we have at the very end, we have a first time bar and we have a second time bar. So the first time we play through to here, then we repeat back to bar 13, play through, skip bar 1, and then play the second time bar to end. This is in the key of G major for us, like most of the other things that we have played. So we're going to warm up with a G major scale, and we're just going to play from a G only up 5 notes to a D. Okay. And don't forget, we're going to go down to the F sharp at the very end, just like I did. We're going to do this in 3/4 because this tune is in 3/4, and we are going to do it at 70 beats per minute. So try and match my pitch. I've tuned up, so I'm going to be in tune with the backing track. Let's try this. Right, so that's the key of G, so we just need to remember our F sharps. We have quite a lot of F sharps in this, and the part that the saxophone plays in this is really, we have a harmony part for most of it. So other instruments have the tune, we have more of a harmony kind of accompanying role. Let's look at the introduction. I'm going to play it with the metronome. First 4 bars. Very simple, just 2 notes for us. G's, G, 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 F sharp. Okay, nice and easy. Let's look at the next section. I'm going to play the first theme. This is bar 5 to bar 12. Okay, so that's the section I've just played, and then we would play it again because there's a repeat sign at bar 13. Just have a look at the only slightly tricky thing there, I think bar 9 and 10. So we've got F sharp, G, A, F sharp in bar 10. So watch out for that. And in bar 6, we have 2 pairs of 8th notes, and they're both slurred, so we're going to tongue the G and then slur to the A. Okay, so bar 6, that's what it should sound like. Right, I'm going to move on to the second theme, so I'm going to play from bar 13 through to bar 28, and I'm going to play the first time bar. Okay, so that was the second theme from bar 13 to bar 28. Things to watch out for in that are the rhythms at bar 21. Sorry. And then bar 23 to 25. So watch out for the eighth notes. Again, they're slurred in pairs. And then finally, let's just look at the second time bar. We have got 2 quarter notes, 2 eighth notes, and then a dotted half note. So a dotted half note, which is the last note of the piece there, that is worth 3 beats. We've also got one in bar 4, and we've also got one, of course, at the end at bar 28. So a half note is normally worth 2 beats. A dot after a note lengthens the note by half of its value. What's half of 2? 1 is half of 2, so it's going to be 3 beats long. Right, last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play it through with the backing track that can be found on YouTube. If you search for Tradition of Excellence, Procession from Water Music. Don't forget the repeats, okay? And articulation.
Page 20, Procession from Water Music.
Articulation, dynamics. There's bits here, bar 21 we're playing soft, the start we're playing nice and loud. So we need to try and differentiate between these different sections of dynamics if we can. Okay, here we go.
Band piece. 1, ready, play.
So there we have it. Procession from Water Music. So, saxophone players, get practicing that. Think about all those things that I mentioned today, mainly dynamics, timing, careful counting, and articulation. And next week, hopefully, will be our last online lesson from the book. Then we'll be back in school, working on different things together. Okay, see you next time.